episode will delve into India's pursuit of AI excellence through collaboration with NVIDIA, the revolutionary limitless pendant redefining wearable technology, and Google's response to employee protest. We'll also discuss OpenAI's new Badge API for efficient task management, experiment with Creator AI for direct engagement, Allen Digital's efforts to revolutionize education with AI integration, and Adobe's AI-powered video editing tools. Stay tuned as we uncover the potential of AI to drive innovation and change across various domains. India's pursuit of technological advancements take a significant leap forward as the nation initiates talks with NVIDIA, a US-based AI chip manufacturer, to procure graphics processing units (GPUs) with a hefty investment of rupees 10,000 crore allocated to the artificial intelligence mission. India aims to bolster its AI capabilities for economic growth and national security. The strategic considerations surrounding AI computer infrastructure underscore the importance of securing computational capacity, prompting the Indian government to explore partnership models with NVIDIA. As discussions unfold post-elections, India navigates options ranging from direct acquisition to marketplace models, with the objective of deploying 10,000 GPUs and under public-private partnerships. The decision-making process reflects the government's commitment to fostering innovation while addressing the high costs associated with GPU acquisition. Instagram embarks on a transformative journey with Creator AI, an AI-powered direct messaging functionality aimed at enhancing influencer engagement. With initial testing focused on DMs, Creator AI leverages machine learning to automate interaction based on influencers' communication styles. As the project evolves, it holds the potential to reshape user interactions and influence the dynamics of social media engagement. By harnessing AI chatbots trained on influencer data, Instagram explores new avenues for enhancing user experiences and fostering meaningful connections on its platform. Google grapples with internal dissent as it terminates 28 employees involved in sit-down protests against the company's business dealings with Israel. The dismissals follow a series of disruptive events highlighting the challenge of navigating corporate values and employee activism. While Google asserts its commitment to maintaining workplace policies and standards, the incident underscores broader discussions surrounding ethical responsibility in the tech industry. As Google responds to employee concerns, it faces scrutiny over its approach to corporate accountability and the implications for fostering a culture of inclusivity and transparency. OpenAI unveils the Badge API, a pioneering solution designed to optimize efficiency in handling asynchronous tasks. This innovative API offers developers a streamlined approach to interact with machine learning models, promising reduced costs and increased speed limits. Compatible with various AI models, the Badge API facilitates batch requests, simplifying workflow management and enhancing predictability. While it offers advantages such as greater profitability and file management capabilities, developers must navigate challenges related to compatibility and data retention. As OpenAI continues to innovate, the Badge API represents a significant step forward in empowering developers to leverage AI technologies effectively. Before we jump back into the mind-blowing world of AI, let me know if you are enjoying this video with a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button and stay on top of all things tech. Here's why you should subscribe. IT Voice is your one-stop shop for the latest tech news. We cover everything from groundbreaking AI advancements to the hottest startups changing the game. We deliver fresh, in-depth content. Stay ahead of the curve and understand how tech is shaping our digital world. Hit subscribe and join the IT Voice community. Allen Digital pioneers personalized learning experience with its innovative integration of AI technology in education. Leveraging AI and machine learning, Allen Digital offers students tailored learning paths and recommendations, optimizing the educational journey through its proprietary technology platform and AI-driven features. Allen Digital aims to redefine the classroom experience and empower students with personalized support and guidance. As the company explores AI-powered testing and grading, it remains committed to ensuring accuracy and efficacy in technology-driven communication, setting new standards for educational excellence in the digital age. Introducing the Limitless Pendant, a groundbreaking AI wearable device poised to revolutionize productivity and convenience in daily life. With a robust 100-hour battery life and seamless integration across platforms, the Limitless Pendant serves as personal AI assistant, harnessing the power of real-time transcription and note-taking capabilities. Its ability to summarize conversations and offer personalized meeting preparation reflects a new era of wearable technology designed to enhance focus and efficiency. Priced at $99 and offering a range of AI-powered features, including a pro subscription option, the Limitless Pendant sets a new standard for accessible and intuitive AI wearables. With its sleek design and multifunctionality, it stands out as a versatile companion for professionals and individuals seeking to optimize their digital experiences. Adobe introduces generative AI video tools for Premiere Pro, revolutionizing video creation and production workflows. Powered by a novel video model, these tools expand Adobe's suite of Firefly models, offering users unprecedented flexibility and control. With features such as generative extend and object addition and removal, Adobe empowers content creators to streamline editing processes and unleash their creativity. As the company integrates third-party generative AI models into its applications, it remains dedicated to responsible innovation, ensuring safety standards aligned with its commitment to excellence in video editing. As we conclude this edition of Weekly AI Digest, we have witnessed a fascinating array of developments reshaping the landscape of artificial intelligence. From strategic partnerships to groundbreaking innovations, the journey towards AI excellence is marked by collaboration, creativity, and ethical considerations. Join us next week as we continue to unravel the latest advancements in AI and their profound impact on industries and society. Stay tuned for more insights and discoveries in the dynamic world of artificial intelligence.